What's the meaning of bubonic plague? Bubonic plague. Bubonic plague.
Bubonic plague. Bubonic plague. The bubonic plague is a highly infectious and deadly disease caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis. It is transmitted through the bite of infected fleas that live on rodents, but can also be spread through direct contact with infected bodily fluids or tissues. Symptoms include fever, chills, weakness, and painful swollen lymph nodes. Without prompt treatment, the disease can lead to septic shock, organ failure, and death within days. The bubonic plague has had several devastating outbreaks throughout history, including the Black Death in the 14th century, which killed an estimated 75 to 200 million people.